Hi guys, it is Sunday Athletics News, and this week we have news from Eliud Kipchoge, we have swimming, and we also have a new 1 mile world record with a very hard fancy dress costume. Hi guys, yes, it is Sunday Athletics News, nice and sunny here today in East Devon, glorious morning. So yes, we have a few stories, professional athletics, a bit of swimming, and also, of course, heartwarming stories that I love to bring you every Sunday if I can. So let's start. So a big shout out to everybody who took part in the epic Exeter 10K here in East Devon on Saturday, and also the duathlon which took place on Sunday. I know a few runners from Honiton Running Club and Sidmouth took part in the epic 10K and also the duathlon. Really nice to see local races back again on the calendar, and it was a glorious weekend for racing in the Devon countryside. We had professional marathon elite racing at the weekend in the Netherlands. It was the NN Mission Marathon at 20 Airport in the Netherlands. Eliud Kipchoge won in 2 hours, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And in the women's race, Katharina Steinruck took the win in 2 hours, 25 minutes and 59 seconds. So cycling, Mark Cavendish in the past week has made his comeback. He took 4 stage wins in the Tour of Turkey. Really great to see Mark back winning those sprint stages, and hopefully he might be in the Tour de France this year. So Sir Mo Farah has offered his support to Gary McKee from Cumbria, who is running 110 marathons in 110 days, raising money for local charities. Gary started on the 1st of February and hopes to finish on May the 21st. An amazing, epic achievement, and wow, 110 marathons in 110 days. Wow, those legs are going to be tired. Into swimming, it was a British meet this week, and Plymouth guy Adam Peaty has now got the 20 quickest times in history of the 100-meter breaststroke, and he keeps on breaking those world records. So hopefully see great things from him in the Tokyo Olympics this year. So Fraser Lamb, who has spina bifida, is raising money for Sheffield's Children's Hospital by pushing his wheelchair 2,021 miles this year. Seeing the videos and the photos, he's got great local support as he takes his ride out on a daily basis to hit those miles. An amazing achievement, and fingers crossed that he can make those 2,021 miles. So yes, there is a new world record for the 1 mile in fancy dress. A US soldier, Kathleen Hernandez, ran a mile in a bomb disposal suit, and she ran the mile in 10 minutes and 23 seconds to break the world record. Here locally in East Devon, an Orchard St Mary postman, Steve Percy, has raised more than £6,000 for hospice care by walking 100 miles in a week. He was doing his usual postal rounds, but also adding on the miles to make it up to 100 miles in a week. Fantastic result for walking. I mean, there's not many runners out there that do 100 miles a week. An amazing amount of money raised for charity. Lastly, the women's 50k world record was broken in Oregon this week by US athlete Desiree Linden. She broke the sub 3 hour mark for the 50k, and she ran it in 2 hours, 59 minutes and 54 seconds. Wow. 50k, so that's about 32 miles in under 3 hours. Fantastic to just break the 3-hour mark. So there we have it. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Enjoy the sunshine if you have it. Please like this video. Every week I do a little bit of this athletics roundup, always throwing in a few extra sports and of course local heartwarming stories of ordinary people going extraordinary lengths. So whatever you do, #killing it.